Hello, today I will demonstrate how to control Google Sheet using Spring Boot. Before we begin, there's one thing I want to say. I often wonder what the true meaning of development's existence is in today's world, especially when using AI tools. In the end, having basic development knowledge and experience is essential for using this tool effectively. Without that, it's like handling a gun to a child. I know we can't beat AI, but we can make good use of it. So stop feeling down. This is a Google Sheet implemented as a web table. You can see that the data is currently synced. I will reverse the order of the sheet. The change have been confirmed. I will edit two new sheets. This has also been verified as changed. I will rearrange the order of sheets. This is also worked well. And I will delete test 0 and test 4 sheets. It is good. I will perform CRUD operations on the sheet rows. You've seen that it worked well, right? I will perform CRUD operation on the sheet columns. You've seen that it works well, right? Let me explain the development process. The main focus was on data handling. Initially, only the first sheet's data and sheets list are loaded. When a sheet is clicked, its data is fetched from the server. Other updates are applied to the UI only after the server confirms success. Create a project, generate a service account in API and services. and download the JSON key file. Enable the Google Sheets API and share the sheets with the service account email. Create a Google Sheet, copy the ID, and paste it into the application YAML file. Rename the download file to credential.json file and then place it in the resource folder. After starting Spring Boot, check if it is reflected in the new sheet. I will provide the main development code, including the controller, service, and HTML with JavaScript. You can set up the environment based on this. If you need any additional files for the setup, feel free to request them in the comments. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It really helps me.